The natural world is our life support system. Our planet's health and our own well-being are deeply intertwined. When we protect nature, we protect ourselves. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, our lives depend on healthy ecosystems. For generations, humans have thrived because of the natural world. Forests, oceans, wetlands, these ecosystems provide us with essential resources. They are the foundation of our health and prosperity. Understanding this connection is crucial in a world facing unprecedented environmental challenges. Ecosystems are communities of living organisms interacting with their environment. These interactions form the foundation of life on Earth, shaping the landscapes we see and the resources we depend on every day. From the smallest insect to the tallest tree, every organism plays a role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Think of a forest, with its trees, animals, insects, and microorganisms all connected in a delicate balance. The roots of trees hold the soil together, while fallen leaves provide nutrients for new growth. Animals disperse seeds and pollinate flowers, ensuring the forest continues to thrive. Even the tiniest fungi and bacteria break down dead matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Oceans, vast and teeming with life, are another example of ecosystems. Coral reefs, kelp forests, and open waters each support countless species, from microscopic plankton to massive whales. These marine ecosystems regulate our climate, produce oxygen, and provide food for millions of people around the world. Wetlands, with their unique ability to filter water, play a vital role in maintaining clean water sources. They act as natural sponges, absorbing excess rain and reducing the risk of floods. Wetlands also provide critical habitat for birds, fish, and countless other species, making them some of the most productive ecosystems on the planet. Even cities, often seen as separate from nature, are ecosystems. Urban parks, gardens, and green rooftops offer habitats for birds, insects, and small mammals. These green spaces help cool the air, reduce pollution, and improve the well-being of city residents. Cities rely on resources from surrounding areas and have their own complex interactions between people and the environment. The way we design and manage urban spaces can support biodiversity and create healthier, more sustainable communities for everyone. A key feature of healthy ecosystems is biodiversity, the variety of life within them. Biodiversity ensures that ecosystems are stable and can recover from disturbances, whether natural or human-made. A diverse ecosystem is a resilient ecosystem, better able to adapt to change and continue providing the services we depend on. By protecting and restoring ecosystems, we help secure a healthier future for ourselves and for generations to come. Healthy ecosystems provide us with essential services: clean air to breathe, clean water to drink, food to nourish us. These are gifts from nature that we often take for granted. Forests act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Wetlands filter pollutants, ensuring safe drinking water. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are crucial for our food supply. But the benefits go beyond the material. Spending time in nature has profound effects on our mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that being in green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and enhances creativity. Nature has a calming effect, helping us to feel more connected to ourselves and the world around us. When we disrupt ecosystems, we disrupt, the delicate balance of nature. Every tree felled, every patch of land cleared, and every new road built through wild spaces has a ripple effect that extends far beyond what we can immediately see. These changes don't just affect plants and animals, they come back to impact us as well. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation, urbanization, and pollution, is a major threat to biodiversity. As forests are cleared for agriculture or cities, countless species lose their homes and the web of life becomes frayed. Pollution further degrades these environments, making it even harder for wildlife to survive. As we encroach upon wild areas, we come into closer contact with animals, increasing the risk of diseases jumping from animals to humans. This process, known as zoonotic spillover, is becoming more common as our activities push deeper into natural habitats. The boundaries that once separated us from wildlife are fading, creating new pathways for viruses and bacteria to cross over. The COVID-19 pandemic is a stark reminder of this interconnectedness. Our globalized world means that a virus emerging in one place can quickly spread across continents, affecting millions of lives and economies. The pandemic has shown just how vulnerable we are when we ignore the health of our planet. The virus is believed to have originated in bats, with habitat loss and the wildlife trade playing a role in its transmission to humans. When animals are forced out of their natural environments, they often end up in closer proximity to people, whether in markets or in newly settled areas, increasing the chances of disease transmission. Similarly, outbreaks of Ebola have been linked to deforestation and increased human contact with wildlife. As forests shrink, people searching for food or resources may come into contact with infected animals, sparking new outbreaks. These examples show that the health of humans and the health of ecosystems are deeply intertwined. These emerging diseases highlight the importance of protecting ecosystems and respecting the boundaries between humans and wildlife. By preserving natural habitats, supporting conservation efforts, and rethinking how we interact with the environment, we can reduce the risk of future pandemics and ensure a healthier future for all species, including ourselves. Climate change is one of the greatest challenges facing humanity. Its effects are already being felt around the world, from rising sea levels to more extreme weather events. These changes have profound impacts on ecosystems and, in turn, on human health. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns are disrupting food chains, making it harder for some species to survive. Vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue fever are on the rise as warmer temperatures expand the range of mosquitoes that carry them. Climate change is a threat multiplier, exacerbating existing health inequalities and creating new ones. Despite the challenges we face, there is hope. Reconnecting with nature is not only good for the planet, but also essential for our own well-being. Spending time in green spaces, even in urban environments, can have significant benefits for our mental and physical health. Ecotherapy, which involves spending time in nature as part of a therapeutic program, is gaining recognition for its ability to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Community gardens and urban green spaces are becoming increasingly important for promoting social cohesion and improving the quality of life in cities. Protecting ecosystems and mitigating climate change are not just environmental issues, they are essential pillars for the well-being of every person on Earth. The health of our planet and the health of humanity are deeply intertwined, and the choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. By taking action to conserve biodiversity, reduce pollution, and restore natural habitats, we not only protect wildlife, but also ensure clean air, safe water, and fertile soil for ourselves. Transitioning to renewable energy sources and adopting sustainable lifestyles are powerful ways to reduce our environmental impact and slow the effects of climate change. Simple actions like planting trees, restoring wetlands, and growing food locally help absorb carbon dioxide, support wildlife, and build stronger communities. Reducing our carbon footprint by using reusable products, choosing eco-friendly transportation, and supporting global health initiatives all contribute to a safer, healthier world. Approaches like One Health, which bring together doctors, veterinarians, and environmental experts, recognize that the health of people, animals, and the environment are inseparable. By working together and understanding these connections, we can prevent the spread of diseases, protect food supplies, and create more resilient communities. Investing in global health and environmental education is crucial for preventing future pandemics and building a world that can adapt to new challenges. The future of humanity depends on our ability to live in harmony with nature, respecting its limits and nurturing its diversity. By recognizing the vital connection between ecosystems and human health, and by acting together as a global community, we can create a healthier, more sustainable future for all, one where people and the planet thrive side by side.